Good evening, brothers. Today I am going to show you two things. Okay, today I am going to show you two things. One is this one, how it will work. I mean to say here, if it repeats more than one time, it has to show only one time. Did you understand my point? If it repeats more than one point, this value, if it repeats more than one time, so it should be displayed. Okay, it should not repeat like the same thing. See here like this. Okay, and here see like this. And second thing is this one, you have to extract only right values from the string, only right, not totally right, because it's a middle one, 100 is a middle one, so here it is not there. See, here is another value is there. Okay, so now I will show you how to do. First thing, count if this one, lock it, should not go down. Again F7 comma F7. Okay, just a minute, bro. Sorry for disturbance, guys. Okay, sorry for disturbance. Where is the mouse? It's down, I think so. Right, okay. Now see. Okay. F9 January. Total F9. See here. F9 to evaluate formula. Okay. Now see, control enter, copy the formula and come down. I don't know how where it is till here. Control V. See. Okay. It is counting how many values are there. This value, how many are there? Okay. Now see, if it is greater than 1, control enter. If it is greater than 1. Now what we have to do means, we have to use if condition, right? You have to use if condition. If it is more than 1, then it should be empty, else repeat the same value. If it is more than 1, empty, it should not display anything. Okay, now close the bracket, control enter, control C, control V. Did you got it what I mean to say? Okay, did you got it what I mean to say? If you have any more doubts, let me know. I am here to help you out, each and everything. Okay, now see, now we will see this one. Okay, only they need names, not the time, PM, all those things. They need only names to be extracted in another cell. For that we have to use, I will explain you this one very much detail. So replace this one. Okay, from where we have to start to replace first value. Okay, till how many characters do you want to replace? 9 characters. Till how many characters? Okay, till how many characters? See now, replace this thing, comma 1 comma till how many characters, and should be empty. Control down arrow, it will jump end of the data, last end of the data. Okay, control down arrow, and again we are pressing control shift up arrow, it will go to starting of the data. Now shift down arrow, control V. Okay, did you got what I mean to say? For everything F2, first we take, okay, F2. Now see, if you want to check before entering the formula, so after typing the formula, just press function key F9, it will show. Okay, control Z, revert to the formula and enter. It is not an array formula. Okay, and the guys, the thing I would like to share with you, if you want more and more Excel tricks or magics, please like, subscribe and help your friends to learn Excel. For that you have to share my YouTube channel so that they can also learn. And as soon as very much soon, I am going to start Excel basics from starting. Okay, for that I am going to, below I will send Telegram link and YouTube link. Okay, so you have to subscribe from there, you have to click on that link and join directly into Telegram. And if you want WhatsApp, I mean to say WhatsApp group link, I will send that one also. Okay, I hope you understand each and everything. There is not a big matter. Okay, see, we can do this one also, text to columns, but it's not a dynamic. Dynamic means whenever you change the data, automatically it will change here. Did you got? F2, see, typos are removed with and Yamaha example, it will change Yamaha. Okay, control Z. Did you got my point? Formulas and functions always be a dynamic. Whenever we change the main data, automatically it will reflect to there. Okay, we should not type again and again and again, only one time. Okay, it will change automatically whenever we change the main data. Okay, please guys, subscribe, like and share with your friends and promote my channel so that I can get more to share a knowledge with you. Not only one not only one magic trick, I am having nearly more than 5,000. I repeat, if you want I can type here if the audible is not clear. Okay, 5010, control B, I did by my own magic tricks, Excel magic tricks. Okay, with solutions. Actually, this query came from one of my brothers in WhatsApp group. They have asked this query. Okay, if you have any more doubts, join in our Telegram group to learn, and for queries, WhatsApp group. For queries only, WhatsApp group. To learn Excel from basic to advanced, you have to join in Telegram group. Okay, guys. Thank you.